activated.
Jesus Christ. This guy's. Am I in film? Am I in this? All right, hold on. Let me drop down some of these fucking knobs. It's the old joint. Hi, what's up, guys? Joe here, Performance Auto Solutions. Pat does not know how to film, so he's making me film it myself. I don't know what he does over here. Just can't even get a haircut. But we are here with Cody'S 2014, 2012 prank call. 2012 Gr-Wrx. Not an STI, but faster than STI. So
He's got to pull that one off.
Someone's got to do it, you know. Is this high enough, Patrick?
Yes.
All right. So I mean, let's go into detail about what we got going on over here. So it's a 2012 Gr-Wrx. And let's start from the beginning.
It's got an IAG closed deck block, recommended by yours truly, Joseph.
Don't tell me.
Hit me. Hit me.
Let me see what's going on here.
All right.
What knickknacks and doodads you got playing around here?
Pat doesn't even know the difference between a short block and a long block, so
Just to be clear.
just deal with it. All right, there we go. So the magic happens.
All the magic.
You got one of these schoolie boys.
Got a nice brand new FP green schoolie boy.
All right.
What else we got? You tell me,
like
Joe.
We got
eBay
eBay intercooler.
eBay intercooler works great.
Process West.
Wonderful. Towel blow-off valve, towel wastegate, FIC 1650s, flex fuel cob kit, something like that. Cob flex fuel kit.
Yeah.
Fuel pressure regulator, all cob fuel lines, IAG fuel rails. What else? IAG AOS.
Ooh.
Very nice.
I didn't even see that.
What else, Joe? Cob intake.
We got a parent turbo inlet.
Parent turbo inlet.
Are we still stock header?
We are still stock header.
Still stock header. It works.
It works. It works. It's got an NVIDIA catless downpipe, so it makes all the noises. Parent heat shields. I think we just about covered the engine.
IAG TGV deletes the build. They're very nice aluminum.
TGV deletes, very nice addition.
I still like how it kind of maintains the stock.
Maintains the stock look,
but there's a little something under here.
There's definitely a little something under there that pushes the ponies out.
A little pow.
Yeah,
Air
little
pumps
pow
are
pow.
deleted.
Air pumps are definitely deleted.
Air motor regulator.
Yep.
Looks like we got dash 6
EAS
AN
bracket, I
lines.
believe.
Custom bracket.
Yeah, it looks nicey nice, all mounted. Yeah, as far as the engine, that's about it. She definitely makes the sauce.
So it's a 5-speed, right?
Yeah.
Still has a 5-speed. I just got a 6-speed. We're working on that. It's got an ACT HDSS clutch for now, but I think we're gonna have to upgrade when we put the 6-speed in.
Oh boy.
Torque. Torque.
Turn up the boost a little bit, and then we'll start having some real fun with it. But yeah, besides that, we got some BC coilovers with Swift springs all around, and we got some TE37s.
What spring rate are we
12K all around. TE37 RTs, they're 18x9.5s. It's at plus 35 offset right now. With
Still has that like nice functional.
functional stance, yeah.
Functional.
265, so it's got some meat under there. And as far as the appearance, we have the Cybin carbon fiber hood, Cybin carbon fiber trunk. Nice little lip kit going around the back, and full NVIDIA single exit. I'm a big fan of the single exit. I don't really like the quad tips that these come with. I think the single exit kind of really just goes with the car, you know?
Yeah.
It's got a sunroof.
What else?
Irish lifestyle.
It's got a sunroof. That's what's nice. Premium model. Got the heated seats and everything. Inside we have a GT spec flat bottom steering wheel. Carbon fiber dash kit. So around the radio and around the shifter is all carbon fiber. What else? Nice little AEM wideband that the guys over at PAS just freshly installed for me.
Dude, will you stop fucking spanking me?
Oh, sorry.
I mean, honestly, out of everything you've done to this car, the most important thing is right here.
There you go.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Right
about.
there.
You made it all possible.
That's right there. But for sure, though.
Where's the key?
Lovely.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, it started. This is sounds good. Sounds good. Oh wow. Oh
Wow.
shit.
Yeah, the GT spec steering wheel is great. It's probably one of my favorite mods, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, just because it's a smaller circumference as well, or diameter, I guess you call it. It's a lot smaller than the stock wheel. The stock WRX wheel is
like
a
a
joke.
fucking bus.
Feels like you're driving a school bus, yeah.
The new Gr-Wrx comes with the flat bottom, but I don't know if it's
The new WRX does come. It's a little bit different, but it's very
It's
similar.
not this small though.
But yeah, that wheel is great because you get to retain the factory airbag, factory radio controls, and everything. It's definitely really nice addition. I would highly recommend that.
If it ain't easy, you can't have
easy.
you can't have a stereo without the buttons in the steering wheel. You know? This fucking guy loves buttons, yo.
Nice rev, Troy.
Smells out here like.
Little poppy action.
Poppy action right there.
Billy Boy sounds good.
Smell that
The 85
like
does
it.
smell nice.
Straight out the farm, baby. I smell that.
So I think at this point in time, I think we're gonna send Pat with Cody for a little in-car action.
Oh, are we?
Pat's super fucking animated, so he's the one to watch in the car.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I've heard things about him. I've heard some stories.
Not all stories are true.
Oh boy.
Whatever you heard was real.
I don't like the sound of that.
Let's do this. Let's go.
All right, go.
Okay. Your car might be the fastest car I've been in.
Really?
Yeah. Aside from a GT3 RS, which I feel like only pushes like 400 and change just about. So,
You want to do a radio?
whatever you want. It's your ride.
Do a radio,
I'm just
brother.
here for the roller coaster. Okay. 400 is another story. That I didn't expect at all. Like at all whatsoever. I was like, here we go, and then it hit me, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, just rolled into it nice and easy, and she definitely
course.
gets something going.
Oh, she definitely gets up and goes. Jesus.
Yeah, that was my initial reaction as well.
Jesus.
It's a big difference from the, before this I had just your typical full bolt-on flex fuel kit and E85 whatnot, and it was fun, but it made about 100 wheel horsepower less.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, that 100 wheel horsepower,
Big difference.
it definitely made a big difference, especially in the butt dyno.
Oh my god.
Without a doubt.
You know what's funny? Like I got into that GT3 RS, right? And I'm like, it's an exotic car, so you're
Absolutely,
expecting it to be
supercar.
fast.
Yeah.
But when you get into something like this, you're just like, you're feeling the rawness of it. The other one's just more refined. I like raw.
Absolutely.
To be honest.
You
No
paid-
pun intended.
You paid the 200K. You paid the 200K plus
For refined. Yeah,
refined.
exactly. But I like the raw feel, just
Yeah.
power, you know?
Oh yeah.
It's safe right now.
Yeah,
We're on
safe-
safe mode right
safe
now. We're
mode.
not even
Low
like,
boost. Low boost.
we're not even goosing it yet.
No, not even goosing it.
Jeez.
This is a rough block, huh?
Very.
Yeah, safe mode still, and it's definitely plenty already. But hey, who doesn't want more power? I didn't think Granite Ford would be a good idea on this road.
Oh my god.
Oh, G-Boogies.
Dude, that hits so hard.
Definitely
Like
puts
just
you in your seat.
even rolling into it,
Just
like
rolled into it, no brake
like-
boosted or nothing.
like just straight like head, man. I can't even
Dude,
talk.
when I brake boost it, and I've done a couple of runs since I've had it done. When I brake boost it, this thing
It's just a
takes off
trigger.
like a bat out of hell. Like you have to have two hands on the wheel.
Jesus Christ.
Have to.
I was like, what do I hold on to right
Yeah,
now?
have to.
Dude.
Oh man, but
Okay.
yeah, well thanks to the guys at PAS. They did a great job on the car. I'm super happy with it. It runs super smooth. I haven't had any issues so far. It's really, really a good time. It really made me fall in love with the car all over again.
That's good to hear
All
for
over
sure.
again.
Always showing PS some love. Ah, love it. Gotta love it.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the ride.
Well, dude, it was a pleasure. This shit is fast as hell.
Oh, yeah,
my
lot of fun.
god.
A lot of fun.
Can't wait for 500.
Yeah, that's when the real games begin.
Oh my god. I'll
That's
catch you
what
guys
it is.
later. Pazny out.